welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Connex0512, and I am here with a just range day, I guess. I got 4 mags for my gun. I already shot one because failed attempt at recording because I filmed it in vertical. So yeah, let's get on to it because short attention span much. Got the rifle, fresh mag. Let's go. Oh yeah, by the way, just in case you guys can't see, I don't know if you can, but there's targets that are right here, 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 right there. So basically what I'm gonna do is just some semi and then some full. Don't worry, I was only up close because I have the proper eye protection. Then an optic up here. Red dot, green dot. I don't know if you guys really care. Light here. Try not to flash the camera with my muzzle. And then wonder if I stand over here and then I kneel down, or maybe just stay here, kneel down. You guys can see a little better. And I do have one more surprise. I have this cheap Canadian Tire Springer I bought for $60 or so. It's 12 plus 1 in the mag. Screw right there to hold it together because I'm a dumbass and forgot to put the taken thing in. I lost it. Took off the orange tip because I'm Canadian. I don't really have to have one on the gun. And let's get to the shooting test because I don't want to keep you guys with that. 12 rounds, load it up. Let's go. Obviously, it's very inaccurate. It's supposed to be an M9 Beretta kind of type thing, but it doesn't do a good job. I had to get rid of one that broke. I don't really like shooting this. It's not all that accurate. I hit almost all my targets. The BBs are flying back. And let's not bore you with that one, so we're just gonna do a magic called full auto. And that was many rounds. And now I'm out on that mag, so don't mind my voice crack. In this pouch here, I have a speed loader and a high cap, which even though they are annoying, they're still kind of nice to use. So let's get to that. So if you're hearing so many misfired shots, that's because my barrel nut's broken, so I'm getting a new one ordered in. And this cover is gone just so it can pull that back fully instead of only the average here. Cats are so annoying. They're so nice though. hear all of the misfired shots. I wonder if I can knock this down if I just... I am a professional. I have the right gear. Do not... Not really professional. I just like... And that is it for this. I do have one more thing I can do called my sidearm. Last bullet. BB, sorry. Yeah, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Gonna take a break now, reload, and just do some offset shooting. And I hope I see you later. This was Conix0512. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Leave a comment. Care what you do. Just know I don't really care. Have a good day.